learners, I'm glad you're here because today I'm going to teach you how to draw a frog, just like this frog right here. So grab a piece of paper and a pencil and come back and we'll draw the frog together. Let's learn 4 facts about frogs. Fact number 1, frogs are amphibians. That means they can live on land or in the water. Fact number 2, frogs have really big eyes, so they can see in all directions. I bet that makes it easy to catch flies with their tongue. Fact number 3, frogs have webbed feet. That helps them swim in the water. And frogs can jump really high. Fact number 4, frogs lay their eggs in water. Baby frogs are called tadpoles. And one extra little fact, frogs can be many different colors. What color frog am I? I am a green frog. Ribbit, ribbit. We have our paper and our pencil. So let's head over to the table and we'll get started drawing. I'm so excited to draw a frog with you. Get your pencil ready and let's draw a frog together. Are you ready to draw a frog, Mr. Frog? Ribbit, ribbit. He's ready. Let's get started. Find the middle of your paper and we're going to draw an open oval. Around. Just like that. Do you see how our oval is open? Now let's give our frog some eyes. Curved line in the middle. Up and around. Okay, let's keep going. I'm going to do ovals for the inside of his eyes. Oval. There's one oval. Two ovals. I think I'm going to make my frog have a silly face. So I'm going to give him a semicircle for one eye here and a semicircle for one eye here. And let's go ahead and color in our eyes. There's one eye. Here's the other eye. All right, it's starting to look like a frog. Let's give our frog a nose. 2 dots in the middle. 1, 2. And now let's give our frog a mouth. Curved line. Smile. Curved line. Let's give our frog a tongue. My frog's tongue is going to stick out on this side so he can catch yummy flies. There's his tongue. He's ready to eat those delicious flies. Our frog has a head. Now let's give our frog a body. Here we go. Straight line down. Curve. Up to the top. Okay, let's give our frog a belly. Straight line down, curve, up to the top. Now our frog has a belly, so we need to give our frog some legs. Gonna move my paper up just a little bit. Okay, his legs are gonna go right here. So I'm gonna come a little bit below the belly, and I'm gonna draw a line straight through, and then I'm going to give him some feet. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. Let's do another foot. Does your frog have some feet now? Let's give our frog some back legs. Here we go. We're going to come halfway to where his middle belly is, and we're going to make like a candy cane shape. So we're going to go up, curve, around like a candy cane, and then we're going to come out and give him some feet. 1, 2, 3. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Another candy cane curving the opposite direction this time. Up, curve like a candy cane, and then we're going to give some feet. 1, 2, 3. There we have our frog. Let's give our frog some spots. You can put spots wherever you want. Put one here, 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 maybe one here, here, maybe a small one here, and I think I'll do a couple on his belly, maybe a little curved half spot. You can put as many spots on your frog as you want to. Let's just give him a couple on his face. Maybe one here, maybe one here, maybe a small one here and here, and maybe one here. Just like that. How does your frog look? All right, let's give our frog a fly to eat. I'm going to put the fly up here, so I'm just going to do a little colored in oval and then give it some wings. There's one yummy fly for our frog to eat. Let's give it a little tail so it looks like it's buzzing. Buzz! Now it's time to color our frog. 5 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there are 4 green speckled frogs. Glug, glug. 4 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there are 3 green speckled frogs. Glug, glug. 3 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 green speckled frogs. Glug, glug. 2 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there is 1 green speckled frog. Glug, glug. 1 green and speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool, where it was nice and cool. Now there are no green speckled frogs. Ribbit. Drawing frogs together was so much fun. Will you hold up your frog and let me see what it looks like? Wow! You did a great job following directions and drawing a frog just like mine. I love it! We also had fun learning facts about frogs today. Do you remember one of the facts we talked about? That's right! That's a good fact. My favorite fact about frogs was that frogs are called amphibians. Amphibians is a fun word to say. We had so much fun drawing today, but our time is over. So let's sing our goodbye song. Goodbye, I'll catch you later. So long, farewell, I'll see you soon. Goodbye, I'll catch you later. So long, farewell, I'll see you soon. Bye, friends.